Normally ama-programs wami umsebenzi uqala ngo-7, but ngase ngiya-advise ukuthi hayi la uyakhona awuthi uqedisa kancane nge-hour kule u-8. Ngizele nje ukuzothi bothisha siyaphambili. It was by no mistake ukuthi KZN this year siyithole position 1 out of 9 provinces in the country. It was because of these sessions bothisha omkhulu eswabamba ngo-5 ekuseni, eswabamba ngo-6 ekuseni, eswabamba ngo-7 ekuseni. Inhloso yalawo ma-sessions asuke ethi, we know you are there. Lesikhathi singekho thina. We know ukuthi uya-understand isikole sakho. We know ukuthi aba-understand othisha osebenza nabo. Inhloso yethu sisuke sizothi qina nathi sikhona emva kwakho. We know ukuthi iy'kole nisebenza kuzona zinayo yonke inhlobo ye-challenge. I-hour esiyisipende nani ekuseni was not enough. Bothisha kakhulu ukuthi nishare nami ama-challenges eninawo, but siyawazi ukuthi akhona. Uma ungizwa ngithi asikusimplifyeni ukusebenza kwethu, ngisuke ngifake emqondweni wami ukuthi I know ukuthi la uphuma khona there are challenges. Sinawo ama-challenge, eyokuqala i-challenge esinayo njengabaphathi bey'kole sithola abantwana abaphambi kwethu. Sinenkinga yokuthi babunjilo abantwana esibafundisa manje abasafani nalabantwana esaqala ngabo ukubafundisa. Indlela abantwana ababehave ngayo manje basifaka enkingeni yokuthi othisha bagcine sebethi angisazi manje ukuthi sengizothi. Bengifikele ekuseni nje kothisha omkhulu kuzonikeza isibindi ukuthi behind you there is the Department of Education. Sazi ukuthi abantwana esibhekene nabo kanjani. Ngelinye ilanga I will find an opportunity yokumchaza umntwana esimfundisa ngo-2026. Ephambi kwethu manje ivika ama-drugs. Ngebhadi lale ngane ama-drugs aphethwe abantu abadala. Ngebhadi lale ngane ama-drugs aphethwe abantu abadala. Ingane ephambi kwethu njengamanje ivika izifo ezingayifanele ingane. Ngebhadi elikhulu nazo lezi zifo ziza zabantu abadala. District Director about 7 out of 75. Bayohlala lapha itulo esiwenze ngeli top 10. Out of 75